So,
So, sir, I had a doubt, sir.
yeah, tell.
Sir, could you just explain me that you drew a diagram right yesterday, the cube root one, not cube root. I mean the root one,
Root 1.
root
Okay.
of two, sir. Could you just
Root of
explain
2.
me?
Yeah, yeah, sure. Yeah, Shashi. Can you see the screen?
Yes, sir. I can see this one.
Yeah. So we want to represent root 2 on the number line, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So we see that root 2 can be written as 1 square plus 1 square.
Yes, sir.
So when we compare this, so base will be is equals to 1 and perpendicular will be is equals to 1.
Yes, sir.
So again now it's so simple beta. We are going to draw a line, make one point in the center as O. Now take OA equals to 1 centimeter. That is the base.
Yes, sir.
And from A we are going to draw the perpendicular like this. Now
Yes,
the
sir.
perpendicular is how much? 1 centimeter. Now you take 1 centimeter in the compass and with A as a center, mark an arc.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
Where this mark this point of intersection as B. Join O with B. How much is AB? AB is 1 centimeter, right? So
Yes,
this means OB is equals to root 2. Okay. Now
okay,
what we will do, we will measure this with O as a center and measure OB, right? The needle of the compass is at point O and the pencil will come at B. So now don't pick up the needle of the compass. From there only you mark an arc like this with the radius OB
so can
with
you
O,
say that again?
yeah, with O as a center and the radius is equals to OB.
Okay, sir.
Mark an arc.
Okay, sir. Now I understood.
Yeah, with where this point, where this arc intersect the line, mark that point as C. I have written D. Mark that point as C. So OC will be equals to root 2.
Okay, sir.
Okay?
Okay, sir.
Sure. So let us have a small quiz prepared by the open house person, right? So,
Sir Rashi.
Rashi. Didn't get the time to relax now, so that's why, it's,
No worries, sir, not at all. You will
yeah.
very soon remember my name. Teachers are the best people to remember the name.
Yes. So we are going to present, right? So we are just a minute. We have to click this first, present the screen, entire screen, then share, then again present this. Right. Shashi, can you see this?
Yes, sir. One. Sir, but it's a bit small, sir. Can't see it properly.
You'll
Okay.
have to click on play as guest and follow those steps.
Okay. Sorry.
Yes, sir. Hmm. Yeah. Classic.
Yeah. Shashi, you have to download Kahoot.in. Go Kahoot.it. Yes. You
Okay.
write and you download this app. Beta.
So Kahoot dot. It, right?
www.kahoot.it.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
You can just type this on the Chrome and then you will get it.
Okay.
Shashi, are you doing it on your laptop?
Yes.
Yeah, would suggest if you can do through phone, else you'll have to like the time will be wasted in coming from one tab to the another. Just try with phone.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
Now you have हो गया बेटा? Shashi done?
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you have written your name. You have entered the game pin also.
Yes, sir.
So there are some fill-ups and there are some true and false and fill-ups also, right? So I'm going to start. You have to, when I start this quiz or whatever the game, you have to see the question at my screen and the options will be there at your screen, right?
Okay, sir.
For each question, you will be giving 10 seconds, right?
Okay, sir.
Right? So we are starting. Chal. Read the question. You answer right, it is false. Integers can be positive, negative, or zero.
Sir, I thought the blue one was true.
No, so you have to read it, na?
Yes.
No problem. No problem, Shashi. Read the question, right? And see the option which are given. So every time the red is not always, false.
Yes.
Okay? No problem. No problem. So the correct answer was true. Why? Because all the integers can be a positive number. It can be negative also. It can be zero also.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next. Shashi, your score is here. 0.
Okay, sir.
Okay, next.
Sir, it's fill in the blanks, right?
Yeah.
So I didn't get any option.
Huh?
It was the colors thing again.
Yeah.
Yep. See,
Sir,
it is over here. Yeah, please.
Sir, I'll just help you a bit
Yeah.
here. So,
Yeah.
Shashi, what will happen is you will be able to see the options over here on the screen, and then you will be able to see those colors and those symbols on your mobile phone. So, you read the question over here, and you read the options over here, and then select the one which is you think is right through your mobile phone.
Okay.
Okay? Okay. All the best.
And luckily, the answer was correct, right?
No, sir. Actually,
No.
the time got up and she
Acha,
couldn't
the
select
time
it.
got up. Okay.
Yeah, time got over. Yes.
Acha, I thought she ticked it. Right. No problem. Then
No.
next.
Sir, do you want to restart it? We can restart the game as well.
No problem.
Okay.
Let her do.
Okay.
The collection of rational
5 seconds left.
is represented by yes.
No problem. No problem. Shashi, don't get demotivated. No problem. Right? Chalo. See over here, the collection of rational number is represented by, I think in some book it is written Q. So that's why you have confused. Otherwise, you are right. It is represented by R only. Okay? No problem.
Okay. So good. I'm getting all wrong answers today.
No problem, Shashi. Today is even my first day. right? And you are my first student to whom we are doing all these experiments, right? No problem. A rational number is of the form P upon Q, where P and Q are dash, but Q cannot be dash.
Sir, P and Q are natural numbers. Sir.
No. P and Q are integers.
Yes, sir. I got to go through it one more time.
Yeah. There are infinitely many rational numbers. True or false?
Sir, true.
True. Good. Oh my God. State away 878 marks given by Kahoot. There. Kahoot.it. Chalo, next. All negative integers are called, all non-negative integers are called non-negative integers.
Sir, no, natural numbers, right? Oh, I got the correct one. I got confused at this one.
See, you have to give the instruction to your brain. Brain, give me the correct answer as early as possible, right?
Yes, sir.
Correct.
All natural numbers are known. All natural numbers are known. So I need some time to read this question. Until I process it, the time is getting over.
Okay. The collection of all positive integers is called
One. Yes, sir.
natural numbers. Next. Every whole number is a natural number.
So false.
False. Correct answer. Next. There is no largest natural number. True or false?
So true.
True. Next. 0 is the smallest whole number.
So true.
True. Every integer is a whole number.
So false.
Good. See, you have given the instruction to brain. It gave me the correct answer quickly. So you have started.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Z is the symbol for the collection of.
Sir, integers.
Oh my God, your score comes to 6,574. Shashi has the highest answer streak of 6. Let us see the other things. What happened? Start it again?
No, sir. I guess it's the 15th question.
Okay. Every rational number is a whole number.
So false.
Now see the podium. Nine out of 15. Shashi scored 7,137 marks and you scored 9 correct answers. You got 9 correct answers out of 15.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. See, 60% answers were correct. And the difficult question, the 4 questions which you found it difficult, or maybe because of the lack of time, you are not able to answer it correctly. The questions were, see the question, rational numbers are always positive.
Yes, sir. Sir, I understood, sir, where I'm lacking.
Yeah, okay. Chalo, good. So, Riya ma'am? No, sorry, Rashi.
Hanji, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so can I close all these tabs now?
Yes, sir. No, not this one, sir. The other
This
ones.
one.
Yes, sir.
The last two, this one and
Yes.
this one.
Yes,
Right?
sir. Yes, sir.
So, okay, fine. Fantastic.
And then you can stop sharing. You will have this option on the bottom. Yeah, stop sharing. Just
Yeah.
below this. Yeah.
Yeah.
Now you can uh, use your whiteboard.
Yeah. Okay. Fine, Rashi. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir.
Okay. So, yeah. Yeah, Shashi, tell beta. So you can do that construction.
Yes, sir.
How many questions you have done, beta, of that construction of the number line?
No, sir. While I was doing it, sir, I had doubts, so I didn't feel like to go ahead. Else I'd
Okay,
get more
fine.
confused.
Okay. First exercise you have done?
Yes, sir.
Chalo, fine, good. So now you can start with that construction and draw root 2 on the number line and root 3 on the number line and click the pick and send it to me so that I can check, right? You
Okay,
can
sir.
start now. Shashi?
Sir, could you just give me a minute? I'm not able to find my protractor.
No, no, no. That you take your own time. You like this? All these things? It's better than Zoom?
Yes, sir. It's fun doing all the quizzes.
Yeah. So this system, I am adopting this system. And abhi to right now, I started with you only. I am not even trial with any other student. You, Shashi, you tell me your view whether it is good or whatever the things are happening. See, these are the add-ons with the whatever the way I was teaching.
Yes, sir.
So I think it is going to help it out because it is having in every class or after the every chapter we will have a quiz and the question bank and the question paper. Each and everything will be given to you,
Okay, sir.
right? So I think that uh, and I hope that you may not be facing any problem in the network issue, na?
No, sir. No problem.
Okay, so that's also good. And this can be the class duration is unlimited. It's not like that in Zoom the class gets over after 40 minutes or 1 hour. It's not so with this. And it is the screen presentation is also nice, I think, na?
Yes, sir.
Chalo. Okay, now you proceed better.
Yes, sir. My protractor is there, so can I go and get it?
Ah, yeah, yeah. You can go and get it better.
Sir, did you receive it?
Yeah, I got it. शशि बेटा, आपने जो रूट 2 है उसमें आपने ओ ए कितना लिया है? हाउ मच इज ओ ए?
So 1 centimeter.
You measure now AB is how much?
So 1.1. Sir.
Then first thing, second thing, ये आपने ये जो C वाला आर्क आया है, आप where you have kept the needle of the compass?
So
अच्छा, what is how much is OA? Write it down. How much is OA? Right. See, I have written over here. How much is OA? 1. How much is AB? Also 1. How much is OB?
OB.
Yeah.
Sir, 2, sir.
Root 2.
Root 2, sir.
So that means we have to measure OB and put the needle of the compass at O only, and bring the pencil needle at B and mark an arc. Don't pick the compass and mark an arc with O as a center, and the radius is equals to OB. Mark an arc. So this arc is going to intersect this line at point C. So OC is equals to root 2.
Okay, sir.
Okay, and see the point of intersection, the arc should be perfect.
Yes.
And what you have done?
Sir, I have a doubt, sir. One more.
Yeah.
Sir, could you explain me the subtraction method also?
Yeah. So let us see root 3. Root 3 you have written 4 minus 1. Fine.
Yes.
This will be written as 2 square minus 1 square. So in the minus 1, this is h, and h is equals to 2. This is b, and b equals to 1. So with again we will draw a line. Mark one point as O. Now draw first of all 1 centimeter base. So this is OA is equals to 1 centimeter.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now we will draw the perpendicular like this. Now what is 2? 2 is the hypotenuse. So now you measure 2 centimeter in the compass and with point O as a center. Now we will put the needle of the compass at O, and radius is equals to 2 centimeter. Mark an arc.
Okay, sir.
Right? We get this point of intersection. Mark this point as B. Join O with B. How much is OB? OB is 2.
Yes, sir.
And how much is AB? AB is root 3.
Okay, sir.
Now what we will do? I am writing over here. Now measure AB and with O as a center, mark an arc on the line. So I will put the needle of the compass at O, and the measure is what? How much? AB. Mark an arc. Okay. So when you will mark an arc, suppose it will come over here.
Yes,
So
sir.
this point you will mark as C. So OC is equals to root 3.
Okay, sir.
चलो proceed, hurry up, be quick now. Shashi, you understood both positive add one and subtraction one or not?
Yes, sir. I understood.
Chalo, good. Do it.
అటు తీసేయచ్చు మా. Sorry, sir, it took a bit long time.
No problem. But now it is correct, है ना? Correct.
So it's correct. I got the same diagram. I thought it was wrong, and I was doing it again and again.
See, the root 2 that you have done is correct.
Okay, sir.
Which one? Acha, on the top you have done root 3. Root 3.
Yes, sir.
What is 2 square plus 1 square you have written? Why? 2 square is 4 and 4 plus 1 is
Oh.
5. This is the for 5 written.
Also, it's minus, sir.
So then minus hai, so then 2
No,
will
sir,
be
no,
the
sir. It's minus
hypotenuse.
one.
Then if it is, it will be minus first of all. See. Why
Yes,
you
sir, I
are
wrote minus one. The thing is, before I wrote two square.
see, it should be like this. Then this 2 will be the hypotenuse and 1 will be the base. So first of all, we have to mark OA is equals to 1 centimeter. Then draw the perpendicular from A. Then measure 2 centimeter in the compass with O as a center. Mark an arc, this arc like this. Then you will get the point B. Join O with B.
Okay. Okay.
You have done what
Sir,
you have done.
sir,
You have taken, yeah, you have taken this as 2. This you have taken as 2. Why? This is not 2. This is the hypotenuse. When there is a minus sign in between, then the first number base is the hypotenuse, and after minus sign, base is the base. Base is the base only.
Okay, sir.
And in plus, this and this both are, one is base and one is perpendicular.
Yes.
Do it. She, beta, if you still have a doubt, you just let me know.
Okay, sir.
What? हाँ शशि, send.
Yes. Yes, sir, I've sent it.
Chalo, good. Let me see that. This is to Shashi.
Yes, sir.
You have marked 2 centimeter, right? So
Yes,
you have
sir.
put the needle of the compass at point A, right?
Yes,
That's why
sir.
it is wrong. Why you have a confusion, beta? See, see over here. This is 1 centimeter I have drawn, right? Why
Yes,
1?
sir.
Because this base is 1. So that's why I have marked OA 1 centimeter. Okay? Now we
Okay,
will
sir.
make the. Now, just a minute. Let me erase. Looking very dirty. This is the line, right? This is O, this is A, this is 1 centimeter. Why we have taken 1? Because over here base is 1, right? Now from
Yes.
A we are going to draw perpendicular, right? Now what is 2? What is 2
Sir?
over here?
So
So
it's the hypotenuse.
hypotenuse is, you have to measure 2 centimeter in the compass and put the needle at point O. From O you have to
Okay, sir.
mark the hypotenuse because this is the hypotenuse. So this will be B. Join O with B. See, OB is na? OB is 2 centimeter. Then
Yes, sir.
then AB will be root 3. To mark root 3 on the number line, we need to measure AB. The distance between A and B with compass and put the needle of the compass at point O and mark an arc. This point of intersection name as C, and then OC is equals to root 3.
Okay.
Do it.
So we got to measure the what is it? AB, right? So then we got to take OS center.
Once the right angle triangle is completed, then because
Okay, sir.
see how much is root 3? AB is root 3. So we will measure
Yes, sir.
AB with compass, and now we will put the needle of the compass at point O and mark an arc. Okay? Do it.
Okay, sir. Sir, my root 2
Root 2
is
is
correct,
correct.
right?
Beta, see, if next time if you have this much of doubt, don't wait for the class. Just text me, sir. I am not able to understood these questions, this much of question. So I am going to call you some other time also, right? Don't waste that. Don't wait. Okay, I don't have a class tomorrow, so I will be wasting my entire day. No, you just text me. So whenever I am free, I am going to call you.
Okay, sir.
Right? Proceed. One more thing, Shashi.
Yes, sir.
See, I'm having a class of ninth at 7:30 also today. Right? If you want, you can also join.
Okay, sir.
Right? Chalo. Okay, now you can proceed.
already received it. Sir, you're on mute.
Yeah. You just write it down. OA is this much, OB is this much, है ना? So that you should
Yes.
not have any kind of confusion.
Yes, sir. I'll do that.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you do all the sums, and if you still have a doubt, then you can let me know. Okay. If you want to join the class, है ना, you can even join at 7:30 also, because other students are having the class at that time. It will be for your benefit only if you want to join.
Okay, sir.
Right? In the meantime, you go through and do these questions and let me know. Fine?
Okay, sir.
Chal, bye.
Bye, sir.